vocabulary camping, vocabulary camping, like the boot camp, camping. We group the vocabulary under one roof, belong to the same topic, like the boot camp, which allow you to focus on improving the specific topic in a short time. This is very helpful when you are writing one article or prepare for an exam or something like speaking exam, like the GCSE's role play. Many students call this book life-saving textbook. Now I convert this vocabulary camping into an online video course, give more detailed explanations, more sentences, and more connections. Something called life-saving. Among the classifications, according to level, we also give the HSK levels to indicate the level of the difficulty. This is very important improvement. By comparing with the level of the difficulty, you will know these words you need to remember or not. The level of difficulty provides a general guideline for the difficulty to how to classify the difficulty of the article. Mandarin teaching as a second language, the textbook, in many cases, they give the article is not suitable for foreigner to learn, too hard for you, or some content is not good for you. We also give the situational classifications. In this classified situational vocab camping, we group into the vocab into total 50 levels, 50 groups. At the same time, we give the best English translation possible. For foreigner, when you learn Chinese, the English translation is very important. The best English translation will help you to understand the Chinese phrase accurately. Here are samples. For example, the camping 1, part 1 is individual, family, members, and friends. Part 2, numbers. Part 3, time. Part 4, week. Part 5, date. Part 6, seasons.